Dear brothers and sisters, with great joy, I meet you through this video. By the grace of God, you have helped us to help thousands of people in India at the time of COVID-19. In my first video, I talked about the help reached to the needed community, the people who are starving for the food. We visited slum to slums with the help of the government, police people. We went to the slum to slums. We supplied the food to grains. We bought the food grains through the help of the government. Not only that, God helped us to reach many migrants. Those days, very much they were starving for the food. But here, in the second part, we have chosen certain community. They were in very much need, especially the Christian community. We found out there were about 200 families were starving for food at the time of lockdown. These families have come from our neighborhood state, about 2,000 kilometers. That means 1,200 miles away from there. They came and stayed here to work as a daily wages. But they could not get job or any work because of the lockdown period. So we found out, we prayed with them, we supplied the word of God as a gift. Not only that, we helped them to move from Bangalore to their native by buses. Those days, about 3 weeks before, there was no train transportation. There were no bus transportation. We found the rented buses. With the help of the local people, we sent them to their native places. Now they are in their native places. Still, they are kept as in the camp for the observations for 14 days. Still, they have not reached their families. Dear brothers and sisters, the migrants were very much suffered during this period. Secondly, we started to help to the churches, believers, the believers who were not given any work in their job situation or somewhere. So we went to slum through the help of our pastors. Pastor Stephen and his family helped a lot in Koramangala slum. Pastor Parthasarathi and his elders and his family helped to supply the food grains in Subhash Nagar, especially to the Muslim community. The Muslim people came into the church. They collected their food grains. What a joy, these people to enter into our church with a great need. God enabled us to help them. Then we helped them nearby the Nayan Delhi slums, and some people were helped in Madiwala slum. Thirdly, we reached the lepers. The leper community, usually they used to go for begging as their profession. This is the second time. First time also we helped. Second time, we went to the leper community. We helped them the food grains for another 15 days. Not only that, we helped them to deep their well so that they can get plenty of water in their own well. With a joy and praising God, I want to thank you for your timely help to the needy people. Not only that, still people are not yet settled. You know the situation very well through the media. Still, I request you all to pray for India, especially to the community whom we serve. By the grace of God, our children are doing well in all the homes. HIV infected children are doing well. Only one child is very serious, but not through the coronavirus. He had a fits and he is in the emergency. His name is Raju. He is in the hospital emergency unit in Indira Gandhi Hospital, Bangalore. Kindly pray for him. Once again, I thank you for your kind love and everything.